Karnataka is one of the biggest education hub in India. Many Indian and foreign students prefer Karnataka, particularly Bangalore, for their education. Geographically, Karnataka is divided into 4 divisions: Bangalore, Mysore, Belgaum, and Kalyan. These 4 divisions host 31 districts across Karnataka, and it's important to understand the geography because it impacts the cutoff, especially Kalyan Karnataka region, which holds a 7% reservation in total seats. Karnataka has total of 68 medical colleges, including 24 government medical colleges and non-minority medical colleges, minority medical colleges, private universities, and deemed universities. You may already know there are many renowned private and deemed universities in Karnataka like Jawaharlal Nehru, Belgaum, JSS, and Manipal, private universities like Ramaiah, St. John's, etc. In this video, we will be discussing only 24 government medical colleges and their cutoff, detailed seat metrics, overall cutoff, college-wise cutoff, and their college details like their connectivity, the establishment year, and fees and bond services, everything. This video will also benefit all India quota students because it will help them create their preference order for Karnataka colleges. So if you want complete information, then please watch the video till the end. To understand how this cutoff scenario works, then you should first understand the geography of a particular state, like we have discussed in earlier videos. If we talk about Karnataka, then you can see many states, most of the states of the southern region touch it, and it shares boundary with all of them. Here from you can see Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala, and also shares with Goa and Maharashtra. So kind of central point in southern region. तो इस वजह से भी ये एक preferred डेस्टिनेशन है स्टूडेंट्स का इस रीजन के लिए. एंड इफ वी टॉक अबाउट डिविजन्स, तो ये जो हमारा कलबुर्गी डिवीजन है काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि ये बाउंड्री शेयर करता है आंध्र प्रदेश और तेलंगाना के साथ. इसका इम्पैक्ट आता है कट ऑफ में, क्योंकि जो हमारी रिजर्वेशन है या फिर सीट मैट्रिक्स है उसमें पर्टिकुलरली इस रीजन के लिए रिजर्वेशन दिया गया है, क्योंकि ये रीजन हिस्टोरिकली पहले हैदराबाद जो निजाम थे उनके अंडर में था, और फिर बाद में जब 1956 में आई गेस जब कर्नाटका अलग हुआ उस समय इसको इसमें शेयर किया गया मैसूर के अंदर. बाद में इसका नाम कर्नाटका हो गया. तो यहाँ पर हम देखते हैं कि कॉलेजेस, हमने जो कॉलेजेस हैं गवर्नमेंट मेडिकल कॉलेजेस, इनको कुछ कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड किया है, राइट. जैसे बेस्ट मेडिकल कॉलेज, then top college, then good colleges, then old college, new college, और यहाँ पे newest college. तो बेस्ट मेडिकल कॉलेज में जैसा कि आपको पता है कि बैंगलोर मेडिकल कॉलेज एंड रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट ये यहाँ का टॉप कॉलेज है. इसके बाद जो अच्छा कॉलेज है वो मैसूर है. ये एज कंपेरेटिवली बैंगलोर इतना अच्छा नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी जो अदर कॉलेजेस हैं उनसे उसको हम ऊपर रखेंगे सेकंड नंबर पे. तो आपका टॉप 2 का प्रायोरिटी यही रहना चाहिए. इसके बाद हमारे कॉलेजेस आते हैं, आज यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं टॉप में हुबली बेलरी बेलगाम, गुल कॉलेज मांड्या, हसन शिमोगा, ESIC और श्री अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी. तो इन 2 कॉलेज ये रिलेटिवली नए कॉलेज हैं, और अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी तो और बिल्कुल नया कॉलेज है, लेकिन इसको ऊपर रखा ड्यू टू देयर ज्योग्राफी. बैंगलोर में होने की वजह से इनका कट ऑफ आने वाले सालों में और हाई जाने की उम्मीद है. और ओल्ड कॉलेजेस में हम देखें तो बिदार, रायचूर, यादगिरी और गुलबर्गा. अब ये डिवीजन मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था कि इंपॉर्टेंट डिवीजन है. इन डिविजन्स में आप देखो कि टोटल कितने कॉलेज है, हमारे पास 7 कॉलेज है. इन 7 कॉलेजेस का डिफरेंटली सिनेरियो रहता है कि इन कॉलेज का 70% सीट्स स्टेट कोटा में 70% सीट है वो रिजर्व रहेगा हमारा इन रीजन के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए. और अदर जो रीजन में कॉलेजेस हैं, अदर डिविजन्स में हमारे जो बाकी 17 कॉलेजेस हैं, इनमें 7% रिजर्वेशन. ये चीज़ हम आगे डिस्कस करेंगे. तो आगे हम देखते हैं इनकी कॉलेज डिटेल्स. अगर हम कर्नाटक के कॉलेज डिटेल्स के बारे में बात करें तो सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं बैंगलोर कब इस्टेब्लिश हुआ, इसकी टोटल इनटेक कैपेसिटी कितनी है, इसकी ऑल इंडिया स्टेट कोटा के अंदर कितनी है, फीस एंड कनेक्टिविटी एक मेजर इश्यू होता है स्पेशली ऑल इंडिया कोटा के लिए, या फिर जो अदर रीजन ऑफ कर्नाटका से आ रहे हैं उनको कॉलेज से कन्वेंस के लिए कितना स्ट्रगल करना पड़ सकता है या फिर कितनी कन्वीनियंस मिलेगी, वो उस पर डिपेंड करता है कनेक्टिविटी पे. तो सारे कॉलेजेस का आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे हमने इनको अल्फाबेटिकली अरेंज किया है. तो बेलगाम, बिदार, चामराजनगर, चिकबल्लपुरा, चिकमंगलुरु, चित्रदुर्गा, बेंगलोर, ESIC गुलबर्गा. तो यहाँ पे आप कॉलेजेस की फीस डिटेल यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, लगभग सबकी सेम है एक्सेप्ट ESIC कॉलेजेस जो हैं उनकी 1 लाख फीस है, बाकी की फीस लगभग सेम है. और कनेक्टिविटी यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, बॉन्ड और सर्विस यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पर कर्नाटका में 1 साल का बॉन्ड है, ठीक है. इसके अलावा आप बाकी जो कॉलेजेस हैं उनकी भी यहाँ पर चेक कर सकते हैं कि कब ये स्टैब्लिश हुए, कितनी इनमें सीट्स हैं, टोटल ब्रेकअप क्या है, कितनी सीट्स हैं. अब इन सीट्स के अंदर जो स्टेट कोटा के अंदर हमारी सीट्स है, इसमें किस कैटेगरी के लिए कितनी सीट है. अच्छा, इसमें एक और चीज इंपॉर्टेंट ये है कि जो कर्नाटका के अदर जो कॉलेजेस हैं प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस, उनमें 40% सीट्स रिजर्व्ड है. ये चीज़ हम आगे डिस्कस करते हैं। अगर यहाँ पर हम सीट मैट्रिक्स देखें कर्नाटका की, तो आप देखेंगे कि जैसे बेंगलोर में हमने बताया कि 212 सीट हमारी स्टेट कोटा के अंदर आ रही है, तो उसका ब्रेकअप कैसे होगा। यहाँ पर कुछ आप देखेंगे येलो मार्क कॉलेजेस, ये कॉलेजेस वो हैं जो कलबुर्गी या फिर गुलबर्गा डिवीजन रीजन में लाई करते हैं। वहाँ पर देखेंगे आप 127 टोटल सीट्स इसमें अगर हैं, तो इसमें से 84 सीट्स सिर्फ कल्याण कर्नाटका या फिर उस पर्टिकुलर रीजन के लिए रिजर्व्ड है, और 36 सीट्स हमारी अदर कर्नाटका रीजन्स के लिए रिजर्व्ड है। तो उसका ब्रेकअप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं किस तरीके से है। अगर हम इससे पहले रिजर्वेशन इसका देखें, कर्नाटका में क्या रिजर्वेशन पॉलिसी यूज होती है, तो उसमें आप देखेंगे कि यहाँ पर शेड्यूल्ड कास्ट के लिए 17%, शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब के लिए 7%, ओबीसी के अंडर 5 डिवीजन है, 1 कैटेगरी 1, कैटेगरी 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B। इसके अलावा रूरल कैंडिडेट्स और कन्नड़ लैंग्वेज कैंडिडेट्स के लिए भी अलग से रिजर्वेशन है हॉरिजॉन्टली। इसके अलावा जो कल्याण कर्नाटका या फिर हैदराबाद कर्नाटका रीजन है, उसको KH से जब आपका अलॉटमेंट आएगा तो उससे मार्क किया हुआ रहेगा। और जो हैदराबाद कर्नाटका 7% हमारा जो मैंने बताया था कि जो कर्नाटका के अदर रीजन के कॉलेजेस उनमें 7% रहेगा, और जो इस रीजन में कॉलेज है कल्याण कर्नाटका में उसमें 70% रहेगा। इसके अलावा जो महाराष्ट्र और कर्नाटका का बॉर्डर डिस्प्यूटेड बॉर्डर है, जैसे आपको पता होगा बेलगाम, वो कई जगह बेलगावी और बेलगाम कहते हैं, तो इसका रिजर्वेशन है। वही चीज हम यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं कि ये डिवीजन जो बनाया हुआ है उसी परसेंटेज के अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ पर बनाया हुआ है कि हर कॉलेज में आप देखेंगे कि 2 टाइप के सीट्स हैं जो दोनों रीजनल डिविजन्स पे, और ये इम्पैक्ट करते हैं कट ऑफ को। तो एंड विल ऑल्सो डिस्कस कट ऑफ सेपरेटली फॉर बोथ ऑफ रीजन्स, because many students might be from this region and they want to know like what is the cutoff for our region. So we will discuss cutoff separately for both regions. But first, let's concentrate on the seat matrix. Then you can see the seats for all the colleges from here. We have sorted them alphabetically like Chikmagaluru and Chitradurga, ESIC Bangalore. ESIC Bangalore also has ESIC quota, as you might already know. ESIC Gulbarga, here are total seats, and then seats for other region candidates. Then Gadag, then Mysore, and then Gulbarga, then Hassan, then Haveri, then Hubli, then Karwar, then Kodagu, Koppal, Mandya, Raichur. You can see seats for each college. Yellow colleges, as I've already told you, for Kalburgi or Gulbarga division colleges, they are established and they are situated or lying in that particular region of Karnataka. So Vijayanagar, Yadgiri. So you can see total seats for every college here. If we talk about total seats, then there are 3039 total seats, and out of these seats, 731 in the KH region and 2113 seats in the other region, and 195 seats for all other categories like PWD, MKB, and defense, etc. So for those there are separate seats, and there are few seats, and their cutoff is also impacted by that. Now let's go for the overall cutoff. If we talk about overall cutoff of Karnataka, then for GM category, GM means general merit. For general merit, 78,683 was the cutoff, and we are talking about only 3 rounds here. So in fourth round we had only few colleges last year, like 3 or 4 colleges only, so we have not considered that. So you can consider 3 rounds to be safer, and particularly till round 2 you can get seats in good colleges, but after round 3 it's risky round. So in round 3 you may or may not get a seat, so you should be focusing on round 1 and round 2, but still we are discussing overall cutoff till mop up. So if you are need 24 aspirants, then you should consider like 445 to be a safer marks for general merit. And for if you talk about SC candidates, then you can consider 430, 425 to be safer marks, and for ST candidates 410 could be safe side. And for category 1, then it's around 535 marks, and you could say more or less it's similar to general merit. So why this cutoff is so high in this region in Karnataka? There are many reasons, as I've already told you, that there are many good private colleges, and in those colleges also you have got government seats at government fees. As you can also see in allotment list, for every allotted candidate the allotment list contains fees, at which fees they will be studying, like here you can see. So in many colleges, like private colleges, if you talk about Ramaiah, out of 150 total seats, 60 seats are filled at government fees. Similarly, Khwaja Bande Nawaz, and it is a minority college, but out of 150 seats, 37 seats are filled at government. Similarly, if we talk about deemed universities like JSS Mysore and Kasturba and Manipal, 40% seats are reserved for, not 40%, 25%, sorry, are reserved for government fees. So like very good universities have colleges for government candidate, or you can say at government fees. That's why the cutoff is that low for government colleges in Karnataka. So first let's finish our this discussion on overall cutoff. And if we talk about 2B, category 2B, it's similar to general merit, so you can consider 545 to be safer. And if we talk about 3A, it's an 81,000, similar to category 1, so you can consider 535 similar scores. You can see except 2A and other categories are holding around 81,000, and for 2B cutoff is little higher, is approximate to general merit. And here you can also see cutoff for round 1 and round 2, so you can compare like what seats you will be getting in round compared to round 1 and round 2. For categories like 3B, cutoff has gone little higher, and for categories like category 1 it has gone lower. So that's why it is showing similar cutoff here, because in round 2 cutoff might have been little higher as compared to round 1. So it's more or less you can say round 1 and round 2 are safer. So round 3 is not that safe. It's a risky round, and round 4 you will get only few seats. In round 4, as I've already told you, like 3 or 4 seats only came for government medical colleges, not for private, or we can say other government seats in private colleges. So let's now discuss cutoff of every medical college, every government medical college. तो बच्चों अब देख लेते हैं हम college wise cutoff. This is for general quota, or you can say except Kalburgi division or Gulbarga division. This is for general quota candidates. Here you can see Bangalore, we had cutoff of almost 15,000. So you should consider 630, not 630. This time around you can say 640 would be safer for general. And other categories you can see here for SC, ST and category 1 to 2A. For everyone you can see here. So categories 3A, 3B cutoff is higher than general candidate. For 2B also, you can see all categories are cutoff are higher. If we talk about Mysore, I don't know if there was some error in allotment sheet, but as it stands, this cutoff is showing last year around was 58,000, but you can consider like 20,000 would be safer. If we talk about 20,000 cutoff, then you can see almost like 630 marks would be safer for Mysore. For other categories, you can also see for SC candidate like 550 or 560 would be safer mark, and for other categories you can see over here. Similarly for Bangalore, you can see the cutoff for general it was around 65,000, but I'm again telling you, you must consider like 25 to 30,000 would be safer for them, not that much higher, because it might be that many general candidates might have gone to private colleges due to low fees for government seat, but it might not be the case this year around. So you can see cutoff for other categories here: 3B, 3A, 2B, 2AR. AR you can see is for rural region, and K is for Kannada speaking. Similarly, K and R stands here. So if you're from any one of these categories, you can check your chances of getting into any of this college. As far as priority for college preference list is concerned, then I have already told you the categories. Then you should consider while filling the choice filling. I have divided this into 6 colleges, 6 or 7 categories, and you can shuffle colleges among these categories, as I've already told you in my earlier videos for West Bengal, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, UP, Mid-East also. What you can do, you can shuffle colleges among categories, but don't shuffle categories. Like category A colleges should always be above category B colleges, and so forth and so on. So if you talk about Hubli, then you can see general cutoff was 67,000 for Hubli, and for category SC it was around 78,000, and for category 3A it was around 16,600. For category 3B 15,727. So if we talk about safer score for category 3A and 3B, then it will be around 635 marks. So you can see cutoff for these are very higher as compared to general merit. So many students would say, sir, this is a wrong data, you're giving a wrong data, but it is directly from the allotment list. We reduce data from original source. Now let's see ESIC Bangalore. In ESIC Bangalore also cutoff was around 69,000, or you can say 70,000, but you should consider like 30 to 35,000 to be safer side, not above that. For Belgavi, you can see cutoff over here for every category. These 3 are general K, general R. This is for SC, SCR. Similarly, you can see here for other categories. For Shimoga, you can see cutoff was around 25,000. For Bellary, it was around 22,000. For Mandya, it was around 20,000. For Hassan, it was around 70,000. Hassan was in news recently for wrong reason due to its MP. And you can see other colleges like Gadag, Gulbarga, Raichur, Chamrajnagar, ESIC Gulbarga, Bidar, Karwar, Kodagu, and Koppal. You can see cutoff for these, and you can see also see the preference order would be, I have told you, like category wise. I have tried to categorize them as per your preference order, but you can shuffle them. And you can also take note of the earlier image that I have shared with you, like category of these colleges. If you talk about other colleges like Koppal, Chikmagaluru, Chikbalpura, Haveri, Chitradurga, and Yadgiri. And Chikmagaluru, you may already know, it's a very good place, very scenic and beautiful place. For all categories, you can see cutoff over here. If we talk about this particular Chikmagaluru, then 60,000 was cut off for this, and you can consider for non-reserved. Like if you talk about general and SC, not SCR or other reservation like GMK or GMR, then we can say cutoff will go like around 70. You can say 70,000 would be safer for lower colleges, lower as in the ranking. For 70,000 would be safer. If you talk about 70,000 score, then you can see like 560, 565 would be safer score. If you want video on a particular college or college review, then you can also comment on a section. And you want PDF of this particular video, then you can also comment PDF in the comment section. तो अगर आप कल्याण कर्नाटका रीजन से और फिर आप चेक करना चाहते हैं कि आपकी रीजन के लिए जो सीट मैट्रिक्स मैंने बताई थी उसके लिए क्या कट ऑफ जाएगा जनरल, then you can see 5871 was last year cutoff. You can expect it around to be 6,000, and for 6,000 you can say 665, 660. If your marks is around this region, then you can say it's safer, and can like 670 would be safest, but still 665, 660 you could get a seat in this general category. Then similarly we talk about SC category, then it was around 47,000. This time around you can say 580, 585 would be safer score. For ST candidate 38,000, it was 590 would be safer score. So now many students ask, like, sir, ST category cutoff is higher than SC. How is this possible? It happens because of the opening and closing rank, how many seats are available. Many factors are considered. So just don't, comment, or you can say judge on your pre-assumptions. For category 1, 18,000 was the cutoff. For it, you can say 630 would be safer. For similarly for 2AH, 2BH, you can check here. If we talk about Mysore, 9,000, and we had seen for general region, it was around 70,000. But this is not the case for Kalyan Karnataka region because seats are very less, and as I told you, there might be some error, or someone might have left the seat after allotment. That could be the reason that cutoff was so lower. So Mysore 9,000. So for 9,000 marks, you can say 655 or 650 would be safer score. Similarly for SC, 65,000, meaning 555, it would be around 555, we can say safer score. For other, you can see here other categories. For Bangalore, SAB, MCR, you can see cutoff here. Similarly for Hubli College, you can see cutoff here. For ESIC College, you can see cutoff here. For Belagavi, 25,000. For these two colleges, 25,000 was the cutoff. So you can say 615, I guess. I hope 615 would be safer score for this time around. So for other categories, you can see here. Similarly, if we talk about these two colleges, 32,000, 33,000. Shimoga and Vijayanagar, 605 would be safer score. For other colleges like Mandya, Hassan, Gadag, Gulbarga, Raichur, Chamarajnagar, ESIC Gulbarga, you can see here. Bidar, this is, we are talking about Kalyan Karnataka region. Karwar, Kodagu, Koppal, Chikmagaluru, Chikbalpura, Haveli, Chitradurga, and Yadgiri. Overall, talking about overall cutoff, we can see for Kalyan Karnataka region is more or less similar to the general region of Karnataka. Overall cutoff, you don't have to worry about, but you have to take care about your college-wise cutoff, as I've described in this section. If you had seen videos of other states like Haryana, then Uttar Pradesh or Madhya Pradesh, then I had tried to cover them in Hindi language, that in Karnataka, tried to cover it in मेजरली इंग्लिश प्लस हिंदी. सो आई होप इट हेल्प्स यू आउट. तो हमने ओवरऑल सारा कॉलेजेस का देख लिया है यहाँ पर, और अगर आपको अभी भी कोई डाउट है, कोई क्वेश्चन है, कोई क्वेरी है, तो आप पूछ सकते हैं. अगर आपको पीडीएफ चाहिए, देन आई मस्ट टेल यू अबाउट हाउ टू गेट द पीडीएफ दिस वीडियोस. सो फॉर पीडीएफ, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू शुड कमेंट पीडीएफ एंड देन यू मस्ट बी अ सब्सक्राइबर, बिकॉज आई एम पुटिंग दिस मच ऑफ एफर्ट, सो यू शुड ऑल्सो पुट सम एफर्ट. तो पीडीएफ कैसे मिलेगा, इसके लिए आपको सब्सक्राइब करके रखना है चैनल को फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, और पीडीएफ कमेंट करना है. तो पीडीएफ जब आप कमेंट करोगे तो मेरे को पता लगेगा कौन सब्सक्राइबर है, किसने कमेंट किया है. देन आई विल प्रोवाइड एक्सेस टू दिस पीडीएफ लिंक ओनली टू पीपल हु हैव सब्सक्राइब्ड टू द चैनल. ओके, सो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब द चैनल and comment PDF. And if you want any other state or any other topic, then please comment below. You don't have to worry about. We already covered like almost 10 colleges. We can also cover BMS, or you can see board and services. There are many topics, but it depends on the choices of students. क्योंकि इससे पहले भी हमने पोल में पूछा था कि आपको कौन सा कॉलेज या फिर कौन से पर्टिकुलर स्टेट का चाहिए, तो उन्होंने बोला कि हमको चाहिए कर्नाटका. So that's why I brought you video for on Karnataka. I hope you like the video, and if you have not subscribed the channel, then please subscribe it. और आने वाली वीडियोस के लिए नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल आइकन जरूर दबा के रखें. थैंक यू.